Osho Tulamonsha Mapel Khushi. In this video, we are going to learn another important topic, which is how to form a question in French. This video is relevant for anyone who's learning French. The screen which you can see is from the HSC 11th standard textbook, lesson number 4. Now, this is a very basic topic. Everyone learning French should have the knowledge of this topic. How to make a sentence into a question form in French. A sentence can be made interrogative in French in the following ways. Interrogative sentence means a question sentence. There are following ways of making it interrogative. First one is with inversion. Inversion. So what do I mean by this? Interchanging the position of the subject and the verb and introduce a hyphen in between them. I will change the subject and the verb and then I will add an hyphen in between them. For example, the first sentence was Vous écoutez la musique. So you listen to the music. This is a plain sentence. This is an affirmative sentence. So while making it into the interrogative form, I'll invert subject and verb. So I'll change it. It will become what? Verb and subject. It will be écoutez-vous la musique and between it here is the hyphen. This is some typing mistake. Hyphen is typed on the Z itself. Okay. Écoutez hyphen vous la musique. Écoutez-vous la musique. Okay. In normal sentence it is subject is vous. Then verb écouter. In question form it is ulta. Verb and then hyphen. Hyphen means a dash in between those two verbs. And then vous la musique. This is a first way. So first way is what? Inversion. Second way is with est-ce. Est-ce. The expression, the phrase est-ce means is it that? Est-ce que. Actually, there are three words. Est-ce que. While pronouncing it, we pronounce it as est-ce que. Okay? Add est-ce que at the beginning of a sentence to make it interrogative. So we'll add est-ce que at the beginning of a sentence to make it interrogative. For example, vous écoutez la musique? Vous écoutez la musique? Normal sentence. It will become est-ce que vous écoutez la musique? Is it that you listen to the music? Est-ce que vous écoutez la musique? Okay. So, est-ce que is added in the beginning of the sentence. Est-ce que vous écoutez la musique means is it that you listen to the music? First way was inversion. Second way is by using est-ce que. Est-ce que means is it that. Now note the changes in third person singular form il and elle. In il and elle it is what? Example, il parle. Okay. Il parle means he speaks. So he speaks. It will become what? Example is il parle. In the question form, it will become parle-t-il. This is because parle hyphen il it should have been. But then e from parle, then il also begins with a vowel. So these two vowels clash. So for the ease of pronunciation, for the ease of writing, and for reading it, mainly for the reading, we while writing add hyphen t in between. This is only for third person singular il and l form. For others it is only inverting and adding hyphen. For il and l we do what? We invert, add hyphen and t. Okay. Note, to form the interrogative of the first person, use the phrase est-ce que. Okay. Usually for forming interrogative of the first subject, first person, which is what je means I. We use the phrase est-ce que. Okay. I hope you are clear with this topic. So we have learned two ways of making the sentence negative by now. Here examples are given. Okay. The verb arrive. Arrive means to arrive, regular er ending verb. It is given in the interrogative form with inversion. So how would it be? For je, we use eska. We have seen now in the notes. Eska j'arrive. Is it that I arrive? Arrive tu? Do you arrive? Arrive till L hyphen T in between for third person singular. Then arrivons hyphen in between an inversion. Arrivez-vous hyphen in between an inversion. And arrive-t-il or L. Okay. Now, interrogative form of the sentences with nouns as subject. Here we were looking at it as pronouns as subject. Jo, tu, il, il. But if we use actual subject in it, how do we form it? So it would be with inversion. Okay. With inversion, how do we do? With inversion, les étudiants arrivent à l'heure. Les étudiants arrivent à l'heure. The students arrive on time. So while asking question, it would be l'étudiant arrive-t-il à l'heure? Étudiant means they are plural, and so it would be il. Étudiant means they. So we'll use the word they, which is what ILS, and then make it inverted. Same for eska. Eska is easier than inversion. Okay, and eska always comes in the beginning of the sentence, so we can give priority to eska. With eska, how do we form it? Les étudiants arrivent à l'heure. The students arrive on time. It would be est-ce que les étudiants arrivent à l'heure? Is it that the students arrive on time? So these were some examples. Here are questions given for making it inverted as well. So if you have any doubt in solving the question, do let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.